Hi guys! These fascinating fruit-shaped mold videos are going viral and people are getting millions of views from them. If you are curious how they are made, jump into this super easy tutorial to find out. Step 1. Prompt. Firstly, use the prompt put in my description, paste it in ChatGPT dialog and press enter. Then ChatGPT will provide you with 10 cool fruit ideas for you to choose. Take apple for example. And we can see that ChatGPT starting generating the text-to-image and image-to-video prompt automatically. You don't need to write the prompt yourself. Step 2. Generate images. Copy the text-to-image prompt. Open HitPaw Photopea. I will put the official access link in the description. Use its AI image generation function. Paste the prompt here. And choose Nano Banana 2 model or GPT Image 2 model. And click on Generate. Seconds later, we have these cool fruit images ready. These are other fruit images I created earlier. Step 3. Generate videos. Now we are heading to HitPaw Photopea. Use the AI video generator feature. I would recommend using Kling AI or Dance 2.0 model as they have better video performance. Copy the image to video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. You may further customize the settings here. Then click on Generate. When it's completed, there we have this cool fruit-shaped mold video. Share it with your friends to have fun. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.